County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Palmyra, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, LaGrange, Hebron, Tibbetts, Millard, and Lima Center. People attending a Whitewater campus should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories.
This is North Weather Radio.
Crystal Lake and surrounding communities. An excessive heat warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the...
This station will broadcast